Welcome to Air Conditioner Repair, Beaverton, Oregon. Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our address is 12725 Southwest Millikan Way, Suite 300A, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. If you're in search of dependable HVAC contractors in your area, you need to look at none other than Right Now Heating and Cooling. Our team of experts can provide services for residential as well as commercial properties. We have more than 25 years expertise in the HVAC industry and can handle any of your toughest HVAC problems. Our highly skilled HVAC contractors and technicians are highly skilled in all aspects of HVAC industry. They offer exceptional service, with outstanding results, excellent customer service and competitive pricing. Each member of our team is proud to be up to date with all codes and technology to keep your family and home healthy. No matter how complicated or big the task, we love doing what we do. This is evident in our high-quality workmanship. Our HVAC contractors can handle all kinds of heating and cooling needs, from maintenance calls to major central heating and cooling system installation. Only trained technicians from factories are employed. They're the best and most reliable technicians in the business. Your work will be done correctly the first time. At Right Now Heating and Cooling, we hope to continue our relationship long after your new equipment is installed or fixed. Our ongoing services are designed to ensure that your unit is operating efficiently without causing breakdowns. We provide a wide range of services, including furnace repair, furnace installations, air conditioner repair, air conditioner installations, heat pump repair, and heat pump installations, central heating repairs, central heating installations, thermostat repair, thermostat installations, as well as many other services. Our approach has always been to provide an affordable price and skilled HVAC technicians. We also guarantee our work with a 100 satisfaction guarantee. Our HVAC experts are now available to assist you with any heating or cooling repairs or installation services to your home or business. We provide pricing options on every repair/expert, guaranteed workmanship. We offer weekend and emergency service as well as warranties for all parts and labor. Visit our website or contact us at 503-300-6124.